Now for the given graph, we need to find area of triangle which will be formed using these points. Okay, so let us mark the points first. So the first point is -3, 4, then it is 5, 3, and the last point is 4, -3. Okay, so if I join a triangle using these, then it will be somewhat like this. Okay, now you need to understand that there are multiple ways to get this. Okay, we are into SAT exam setup, so we will try to solve it in the most smartest possible way. Okay, so for that, what are we going to do? We will create a rectangle which should have all these points. Okay, so just see what I'm doing. You'll soon understand that with this we can very easily get the area of triangle. So I hope this rectangle is visible. Now in this rectangle you can see that these triangles are the one which are not needed. Okay, and all of them are just like half base into height if we have to find area of these triangles. So what we will do now, we will try to find area of a rectangle. Rectangle, if you see the dimensions, it is going from -3 to 5, means it is 8 units horizontally, and vertically it is 7 units. So 8 times 7, 56 is the total area. Okay, look at it carefully, then you can give it a try on your own also. And then we have 3 triangles for which we have to just do half base into height. If you look at the first triangle which is there at the top, okay, so the first triangle, the number 1 is this, for which this is 1 and the height or the altitude is 8. So half base is 1 times height, so 4 units is the area of that triangle. Likewise, I will find area of number 2. Again, this is 1 unit, the base, and the height of this triangle goes from -3 to 3, that is 6 units. So half 1 times 6, that is 3. And now we have the last triangle, this one, which I can write number 3. So for number 3, the base is going from -3 to 4, that is 7 units, and the height is also 7 units. So half 7 times 7, that is 24.5. So now from total 56, if I remove them all, that is 56 minus 4 minus 3 minus 24.5, I will get my area of triangle. So since they have given us the graph, we can very easily plot the coordinates, and this is the easiest and fastest way to get area of triangle when 3 coordinates are given. So when you will solve it, it will come out to be 24.5 square units. Just for clarity, you can watch this video one more time and then try to solve this question again.